Hello everyone, in this exercise of SOLIDWORKS we will understand how to calculate the volume, weight and area of a part in SOLIDWORKS. Let's start. File, new, part, okay. This is the SOLIDWORKS user interface. Okay, I am selecting plain white from here and the unit system is millimeter gram second from here. This one. Okay. Now, firstly, I create a simple model here. Top plane, sketch, this one, select this line, shift this line, equal relation, okay? This 50 mm dimension. So this I have made a square of 50 by 50 mm, okay? This one. Now extrude. You please remember this dimension 50 by 50 square I have made. Future extrude boss base 10 mm I am giving the height of this. Okay, this one. So this is the part here. Okay. Background this one, plain white. Okay, this one. This is a simple part I have made. In order to calculate the weight, you will have to, in the tab section there is a evaluate. This one you will have to go mass property, or you can go from tool, evaluate and mass property. From here you can also go into mass properties. Okay. In order to calculate the weight, this one. Suppose evaluate, go in the mass properties. You will see this is the weight of this one. 25 gram. Volume is this one, cubic millimeter. 25,000. Surface area is this one, 7,000. This is the total surface area, not a particular surface. Suppose I measure this area of surface, this one, you will see, you will have to go into measure. If you want to know the particular surface area, you can go into the evaluate, measure and this one. You will see this is the measure, this is the area of this surface, because I have made a surface dimension 50 by 50 by 50 into 50, that is the 2500 mm square. Okay, in this way particular surface you can measure. In the area, volume is this one, surface area this one. You see one thing, you note please here, you note one thing here, I have not applied any material to the part. You'll see here how then in spite of that, this is showing the weight is 25 gram, but it will be more than 25 gram. So how this is coming? Suppose I go into evaluate, mass properties, you go in the option, this window comes, go in the option, this one, this again another window comes, use in the custom setting here. You will see density is 0.001 gram per millimeter square. SOLIDWORKS assigns default value of 0.001 mm, 1 gram per mm cube density to the any material. If you don't assign any value to the part, then SOLIDWORKS automatically calculate assuming this density 0.001 gram per mm cube. This one. Okay. So that's why this weight is coming. Now I will show you the actual weight. I cancel it. I am applying any material. Suppose you apply one thing more. If you go in the appearance, this one, you go in the steel and you apply any material here, this one. You apply steel you have applied. But now you will see the weight. You will see there is no change in the weight. So please understand this thing. Whenever we apply any appearance metal of any metal to the part, that doesn't change any value in the weight. Please note this thing. Okay. Now I am applying the material. How I apply the material? See this material in the future tree manager. There is a material. Right click, edit material. You apply any material. Suppose I apply AIS30. These are the properties of the material. Mass density is 8000 kg per meter cube. Okay. Apply and close. Now I will see. To calculate the weight, you go in the evaluate and mass properties. You will see now the this value. Now the weight is coming 200 gram. volume is 25,000 cubic millimeter, surface area is 7,000 square millimeter square. If you go in the option, you can increase, this window comes, use custom stating, and you can increase the decimal value, this one, and okay, you can increase accuracy level also, you can increase here, this one, okay, this one, okay. Now you see the density is 0.0080 gram per cubic meter, mass is this one, and the volume is this one, okay. If you, this is the total surface area, you will see here, or this is the total volume of this part, mass is 200 gram, okay. Suppose you want to know the area of a particular surface, suppose upper surface, I want to know the area. So how I will calculate? In evaluate, you go in the measure and surface, you select the particular surface, this surface, suppose I want to know surface, this is this one. So area is 500 because this size is 50 mm, height is 10 mm, so area is this one, okay, this one. Suppose you want to know the area of this one, so this area is this one, 25,000, 2,500, this one, because this size 50, this size is 50 into 50, that is 2,500, okay, this one. In this way you can calculate the area of a particular surface. In this way you can apply, and you can remove the material from here also. Suppose this material is showing, right click and remove material. Now there is no material, okay. Suppose you want to add a particular density to this part. Suppose you want to edit, assign the particular density. So how you can change the value of this one? Evaluate mass properties and this one. Go in the option, this window comes here. You know, value of a steel is 7.86 gram per centimeter cube. If you convert into gram centimeter cube, this value comes 0.0078. This is a gram per centimeter cube, this value. If you search on the Google's, density of the steel will come 0.0078 gram per millimeter cube. Select this, use custom value, change the decimal places, and length millimeter, gram you can change, and density, if you directly apply the density, you will come to know the weight also. This I am taking the density of a steel from the Google, that is 0.0078 gram per millimeter cube, and apply OK. Now you will see the weight. You will see the density appearing here, same density, 0.0078 gram per cubic millimeter, mass is 195 gram, volume is this one, surface area is this one. This surface area is the total surface area. But if you want to know the surface area of a particular surface, you go in the evaluate, measure, and this remove this one, you select the particular surface for which you want to know the area. So I'm selecting this face, for example. Now the area is this one, okay. And assignment of material will not affect the area, okay. In this way you can know the total area is this one, but you want to know the surface area, you go in the measure, evaluate, go in the measure and select the particular surface, this one, and you will come to know that this is the area of this one, okay. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my this channel. Thank you.